Hey you guys, it's me Trudy from Tucker and Tulips. Thank you guys for being here. You guys, today I have a really awesome share with you. I am going to be unpackaging my gift that I got from my Secret Santa. I got them and I don't remember which day I got them first because it's been a crazy week. We moved my daughter into her apartment, and so I'm hoping I open them correctly. Uh, let's see. So I'm going to go ahead and open my second gift. This is my second one, and I got them last week. The items. I'm trying to remember. So. Okay. All right, so I was kind of confused. I believe this is my second crafty item, and I did receive my first one, but these are bonuses, you guys. She sent me some, she sent me more tags. My Secret Santa sent me 3 more tags, and they did make them to me. But look at this. So we have some sewing around here. A beautiful collage. It looks like these might be some Tim Holtz. A beautiful sticker with a butterfly. And I love this. I love this idea. A little sewn tab up here with some little crocheted trim. And then it opens up like an accordion. This is awesome. I love that. That's really inspired me. And then she has these little picks that well, I guess I did it wrong, but there you go. There you go. And this little flower that goes like that. So that's that one. And then this one is a pink one with some crocheted ribbon, trim, some sewing. This looks like a little pamphlet stitch and a beautiful I love this like textured paper with collagen. I love it. Yes. This is gorgeous. So it's like a little journal, and if you dyed these papers, they're absolutely gorgeous. They are gorgeous. And let's see. So that one, and then I had this one, and look at this. I love these. I don't think these are Tim Holtz. These looks like little cut aparts. But I just love how she makes these with the beautiful, and this one is sewn with the this was like a little, it's gonna be like a little notebook. That's beautiful. So I got those, but now she sent me extra. The mail, you guys, has been crazy and horrid, and anyways, but so here's my note from my Secret Santa. It says, Trudy, I'm so sorry your first gift didn't arrive, which Secret Santa, it did arrive. It just probably got messed up, but maybe it will show up soon as a bonus gift. Here's another Go On Fit gift number 1 for you. I hope you like them. Oh, Secret Santa, that's so sweet. I love it. And yes, these are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. Thank you so much, Secret Santa. And yes, I have I have all of them now. Like I have 6 of these. So thank you. I really love them and I'm going to cherish them, and I definitely will be using them, and I love the colors. Pink and purples are my colors. Thank you. And if you guys have not gone over to all the people that are participating, all that information is going to be in the bottom. I would love for you guys to go over there and show some love to all the wonderful people that are participating in July. I know it's inspiring a lot of people to go ahead and get in the Christmas spirit in this hot weather that we're having. So I will talk to you guys really soon. Bye for now.